Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'll address a common concern among iPhone users, a cracked screen. In this video, I'll guide you through the precise steps to professionally replace the screen on an iPhone 11. If you appreciate in-depth tutorial, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content. The first step is to power off your phone. This is a crucial safety measure to avoid any accidents during the repair. Use the Pentalobe P2 screwdriver to move the screws near the charging port. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen. Be careful not to force it and use plastic pick or a spudger to carefully separate the screen from the body. After releasing the screen from the housing, lift and hold it like a book. Now remove the 5 screws holding the shield with the tri-wing screwdriver. Next, carefully lift the shield up with a pair of tweezers. Remove the earpiece connector first and then the LCD connectors. As you can see, the LCD on this phone was water damaged, and the only way to fix this phone was to replace this LCD. Now let's remove the earpiece flex cable along with all the sensors from the LCD we just removed from the iPhone. It's being held in place by 3 Phillips head screwdrivers and 1 small tri-wing. Let's remove the metal bracket holding the light sensor. Now I'm not gonna lift up sensors one by one out of this plastic frame. Instead, I'm going to lift up the whole frame because there's a risk of breaking one of the sensors if you try lifting them up individually. Because if you mess something up, then your Face ID or the light sensor might stop working. Now onto the new LCD. Remove the plastic frame and install the frame from previous LCD with all the sensors in it. Now let's put the metal bracket back on the light sensor. then all the screws holding the earpiece. If you plan to preserve the True Tone function, then you will be needing this True Tone programmer. Just connect the old LCD where it says iPhone 11 if you have an iPhone 11, if it's a 10 or XR, on the relative connector. Connect your screen and press the read button. And when it's done reading, disconnect the screen and connect your new LCD. And press the right button. Now let's begin the reassembly process by connecting all the connectors. Let's begin with the earpiece connector first and then the two display connectors. Carefully place the shield back onto the connectors. Secure the screws back in place and make sure everything is properly aligned. Carefully fit the new LCD back inside the housing. Secure the two screws near the charging port and we're done. Power on your iPhone and test the new screen. Check for any display issues or touch sensitivity problems. If everything looks good, congrats, you have successfully replaced the screen on your iPhone. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials. Take care.